A deal struck with Romania could bring more vaccines into the country. Authorities remain concerned about the arrival time of the vaccines from Moderna. Meanwhile, the government announced plans to buy 10 million doses from domestic developers next year. Seong-woo brings the updates.
With over 246,000 people inoculated on Tuesday, 57% of South Korea's population have now had at least their first doses of COVID-19 vaccines. This includes 66.3% of people aged 18 and above. Those who have completed the vaccination process account for more than 30% of the entire population. And more doses are coming in from overseas over the coming weeks. Around 1.5 million doses acquired from Romania will arrive at Incheon International Airport across 2 days, the 2nd and 8th of this month.
526,500 doses of Pfizer will arrive on the 2nd. The same number of Pfizer doses plus 450,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine are set to arrive on the 8th. The Pfizer shots were purchased while the Moderna doses were acquired in exchange for medical supplies that Romania needs.
The shots will be used to inoculate those in the 18 to 49 age bracket. Korea had earlier provided Romania with test kits last year in March to mark the 60th anniversary of the two countries establishing diplomatic relations. Despite the boost, though, some officials fear the government's goal of getting 70% of the country vaccinated with their first doses before the Chuseok holidays may not be met if Moderna fails to deliver its promise of 6 million doses by this week. Meanwhile, Korea is currently working on its own vaccine, and leading the charge is SK Bioscience, who began Phase 3 trials on Monday. According to health authorities, 10 million out of the 90 million vaccine doses to be purchased next year will be bought from domestic developers. This comes amid Samsung Biologics' discussions with Moderna on allowing COVID-19 vaccines manufactured at Samsung's domestic facilities to be administered in the country. Samsung is reportedly set to start mass producing the shots within the third quarter of this year. They will be shipped to countries other than the U.S. after receiving approval from Moderna and passing domestic qualification tests. Seong-woo, Arirang News.